and welcome back to Cross of Note. I got my Beware order in the mail. I ordered this the very beginning of May, and it just came, and I'm excited to open it because I bought some pretty unique items that I was excited about. And I think it's really cool that we can order all the way from Sweden. I don't know. I get excited about the fact that I got it all the way from Sweden. And there's a whole bunch of stuff, and it really just kind of shows up as a surprise in my mailbox. For some reason, anything I have bought from Beware doesn't show up on the United States Postal Service informed delivery. So it's not there, and there's no tracking, even though it says you should get a tracking number from the shipping carrier. So I never have any tracking, and it doesn't show up, so it's just like, surprise, suddenly it's there one day. So there's a big brown paper envelope, and let's take a look at what's inside. So I love that everything comes in little paper packages and stuff. I think that's nice, that's recyclable, and it's kind of fun that they come that way. Everything is like that. So the first thing I'm going to open is I bought the mystery lace bag just for fun, just to see what would come. And Beware stocks so many laces that I'm sure there's lots of cool things in here. So the first lace is a kind of a mauve colored stretch lace, and it's relatively simple, but easy to coordinate, especially that bra pattern I have been testing. When that comes out, you kind of want a simpler lace to coordinate with that. So when that's available, I'll tell you more details. So there's a mauve one, get a good view of it there. There is kind of a medium gray blue, and it has up here on the top a slightly more bright blue coloring. And I think they're all stretch lace. Yeah, stretch lace. And this one has a more floral pattern on the interior, and I like that it has really nice small picot edges. So sometimes when you're needing to line up some bra pattern pieces, it's nice that the picot edge of the lace is small. It makes it easier for lining up seams and stuff. This one is so cool. I love it for summer. It is like neon sunset in my mind. Bright pink in the center, fades out to kind of an orange and then a yellow. I love this. This is so cute. This is very fun. I think I'm definitely going to make this up this summer because that's a perfect summer bra. Very neat. And it is another floral pattern, as you can see. And then the last one is this peachy cream color. I like that. That's very pretty. It's nice for neutrals, but something different. And it's pretty wide lace as well. And there's the pattern of it. I have quite a lot of it. It reached the floor when I let go just now. Probably a couple yards. And yeah, it looks pretty against the skin, and I think that will make also a nice neutral bra. I think I have it backwards. I think this is the right side. So that's the right side, and so it's like a peachy cream color, very pretty. That's nice. That was their mystery pack, and I think that they're all very good options, very neat. Okay, the next thing that I bought is some of the summer and spring bra kits. So this is the summer kit, so let's take a look at that. I will hold it up as packaged because it looks very pretty. So this packet is some of the notions. So this is the rings and sliders and the 2x2, 2x3 hook and eye. And they're just white rings and sliders. And then it comes with your usual kit stuff. So there's the bra strap elastic, 2 sizes of picot, all in white elastic for underarm and underbust. There is some decorative picot. Certain patterns you could use this. I don't know if all of mine do, so I'll have that on hand. And underwear channeling. And then, I mean, the part that we're all waiting for, honestly, is the material. So this is a floral print, kind of watercolor-ish. There's the power net in there, which is pretty much white. And then this is their Bra Satin. Lingerie Satin. And I had just bought this recently from the TaylorMade shop in kind of an inky navy blue. And as I was told by Liz So's, it's similar to Duoplex. This one feels a little different than the TaylorMade shop one. Similar to Duoplex, but sews up better and it's a little bit lighter weight. So that was nice to know. And this is very pretty and it's very shiny feeling, but doesn't have a lot of sheen. But that'll make quite a few bras. Like this kit cut for me is enough for like a lot. And very pretty. And it matches a kind of a t-shirt that I made recently. So that's kind of neat that I'll have sort of a matching set. Although I have extra of that fabric, so I could truly make a matching set if I wanted to. The next one is the lovely spring bra kit. I thought that this was so pretty. I'm not normally a yellow person, but this is a yellow kit and I just thought it was gorgeous. So hold it up as packaged. This is how it came. So again, in the little paper packet, there's some notions. And so this one came with bright gold rings and sliders and some 1/4" clear elastic and a pale yellow 2x3 hook and eye. And again, we have a pale yellow strapping, matching picot elastics, although this one is much wider than the other one was, which is fine, no big deal. Easy to adjust to whatever pattern you want. And then the channeling. The channeling is like slightly less yellow, but no one sees your channeling, so who cares? But again, the really pretty is this lace. How gorgeous is that yellow color? Isn't that pretty for summer as well? And it's a stretch lace, but I like the satiny look of the center and then the creamy outside. I think it'll make an absolutely beautiful, beautiful bra. And again, there's a good amount. So you can see there how pretty that is. I love that. And it comes with sheer cup lining in a nude color and a very, very pale white yellow look power net. So I've got so many colors of power net now. I'm very excited. It's going to make it easier to match things because I can definitely get more than one bra out of this amount. So the last package is just extra stuff that I ordered. There was no kits anymore. So gotta open up the paper. So I ordered some laces that they had that I thought were very pretty. This is a black and like electric blue stretch lace. It's very similar to the yellow and the yellow kit actually. I'm trying to get the right side up so you can see. This is the right side. And it has that really bright blue with the black. And I love that color combination. I have some clothes in this color combination. And I think it's just really pretty and shiny. So I got that for bra making, obviously. And then this also gave me like summer mermaid vibes. And it's kind of this ombre blue to light blue aqua stretch lace. And I thought that would be fun because you can play with the color placement for different bras. And one edge is light blue and the opposite edge is a darker blue. So lots of fun to use that for. And I think I got 2 yards of that one. This is one of the things I was most excited about. It looks kind of dull on this side, but it is Copper Lingerie Satin Stretch Satin. And I thought that this would really pair well. I had this metallic polka dot and black lace and other bras that I thought that this would pair well. I like this copper color. You know, you can imagine it against skin, how pretty that is. I know it's not my skin tone, but I just thought it was really pretty and would make a beautiful bra. And I got a 1/2 yard of that. And I plan to make several things with it. And then the last one I got for like fabrics, I just thought was really kind of neat. This is a printed power net. And it's printed with a dark kind of brown background and then black, almost hand-drawn or tattoo-like roses. And I thought that sometimes that would be fun, granted the certain colors of bras, to just have a different kind of power net on the back, making it interesting. So it says Dream on it, I believe. So I got that for the back. The next part is kind of boring, but I bought a ton of wires. I needed more 40 wires in the regular size, more like bra maker supply sizing. And I think I bought 10 sets of wires, and so I can show them to you. So this is a 40 wire from Beware. Looks like most of my other wires. They even have the blue tip just like my other ones, so they're probably very similar. But you know, got all this bra making materials, I have to have enough wires. This is just a black set of findings because I am planning to do kind of a lemon month for June, and I realized that I didn't have any findings to match my lemon lace that I got a few months ago. And so this is just all your normal stuff in black. There you can see, I'm not going to explain everything because it's the same as all the other kits that I got, but just in black so that I can make a lemon bra for the summer. Kind of thought about getting bright green or yellow findings for the lemon bra, but then I was like, well, black would look more neutral under what you're wearing it with in case you can see the strap or something. Anyway, harder to find the bright yellow and greens. I didn't see anyone with those colors, so I just got black. There's also a little thank you for your order card from Angelica and Bottle. And then, yes, I ordered this a while ago. I don't even remember what's in this package. Oh yeah, when I ordered, there was some kind of sale that if you spent over something amount, they gave you some extra lace or something. So I didn't order any of this. This just came with the order as part of their promotion, which is why I don't remember what it was. And that's cool. This is a stretch lace, and it's in this pretty like rosy floral pattern. It's got purple in there too, and some green leaves. You could really easily pair this with different finding colors. And that's very pretty. Make a nice bra. There's a gray. And I actually have some gray findings. So this will be kind of nice to have. Making a gray bra, making a neutral, kind of very stretchy one with a floral print along the top. It's shiny too. I like the shiny laces where they're shiny on the top. I hope you can see that. And then the last one is white. I don't have any white bras. I should probably make a white bra, huh? And that's the right side. And it's another floral print stretch lace. There we go. And that's also really pretty, and it's a generous size of each one. So that was really nice that was like an extra bonus for placing an order that weekend. Okay, so this is being filmed 2 months later, but that's okay, or a month and a half. So my Beware mystery box for the month of May has finally arrived. So let's look at what's inside. And I'll point the camera at it. So as usual, we have the pretty holographic paper. So they're talking about May and how summer's coming soon. Well, now it's very much here, and they were thinking that these would be pretty for summer. The long story short version. So the first thing, some of the stuff fell out, but is a very pretty yellow rose lace. That would make a gorgeous summer bra, or any time of year in my opinion, with black accents and the green leaves. So that's really pretty. That's a nice one in the kit, very summery. I like that lace. The next one is also gorgeous in a different way, like more of a classic. It's about 1.5 meters or so of a mint green with gold metallic accent. Also would make a beautiful bra. Very pretty. And they sent that with a lot of findings. So all matching white picot strap elastics. That's a pretty strap elastic. I haven't seen one like that in a while. With little picot wedges. And then there's a 2x2 and a 3x3 hook and eye. And channeling. And then more strap elastic. That's a lot of strap elastic. That's like 3 different ones. And then more picot. Really thin picot. Came with white power net, white sheer cup lining, which I think would work really well to make these laces stand out. When they're backed in white, that would look nice. Let's look at the yellow rose one. Yeah, they would both, hello, don't hold up the lace, hold up the lining. Yeah, both would look really nice with a white background. And then there is a little bag with gold findings for the straps. So there's 2 sizes actually of hook and eye or rings and sliders, gold ring and sliders, and some skinny clear elastic. That's pretty. I like this month's, well, May's month kit. I think that's fun. And this goes really well with a lot of the stuff that I ordered from them. So pretty. Thanks for watching the Beware video. I hope you saw some really beautiful stuff that they've got and are interested in maybe getting their mystery box. I think it's a lot of fun. They always give really good stuff and they're so nice there. So check Beware out if you haven't bought anything. Totally nice to buy from Sweden and get it shipped here. It doesn't matter at all. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.